Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Blender Review. Number 1. VITAMIX V197 EXPLORIAN Blender. VITAMIX V197 EXPLORIAN Blender features a large capacity BPA-free polycarbonate jar with ergonomic handle. The two-tone finishes with sleek, contoured lines look amazing on any countertop. This blender's 10 variable speeds combined with its pulse feature allow you to create any texture you want, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. The 48-ounce container includes a specially designed lid with milling blade that locks into place on top of the jar. It also works with other V197 jars, allowing you to create multiple batches without washing the jar in between. The thermal protection system with auto shutoff and quad blade cutting assembly work to keep you safe from heat and overloading, and the radial cooling fan keeps your motor running for long periods. This blender is perfect for those who enjoy blending cold ingredients together for healthy smoothies. And with this blender's self-cleaning feature, you'll never need to waste time manually cleaning the jar. Number 2. NUTRIBULLET ZNDF 30500Z Blender. The NUTRIBULLET blender combo will take your nutrition extraction to the next level with the versatility of both a multi-serving pitcher and a single-serve cup. The easy twist extractor blade is made of powerful stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action. The powerful 1100-watt motor and convenient one-touch controls make this blender simple to operate. The 16-ounce cup, pitcher, and gasket are dishwasher safe. The 32-ounce cup and gasket are top-rack dishwasher safe. This product includes a 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. BREVILLE Fresh and Furious Blender. The BREVILLE Fresh and Furious Blender is where power meets versatility, and it's all at the tip of your finger. Designed with 9 one-touch programs, 5 speed settings, and a pulse setting for instant smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crushing to make what is a rough start a smooth finish. The vacuum removes air from the jet before blending, providing smoother textures. The vacuum is sold separately. The LCD display counts up on speed settings and down for pre-programmed settings for complete control when blending. When you're done, the container is dishwasher safe and the lid is easy to remove. For your added convenience, a recipe book will be included with your purchase. 3-year limited product warranty. Power 1100 watts. Voltage 110 to 120 volts. Number 4. Ninja S701 FOODI Blender. Ninja's innovative technology and creative design have made blending everything from smoothies to dips and desserts quick, simple, and easy. This 24-oz blender is ideal for blending large portions. You can easily make smoothies, ice cream, or sauces. The possibilities are endless. The Ninja FOODI Blender's easy to use, easy to clean base fits nicely on any countertop. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to store. This powerful blender features 1200 peak watt power and features Auto IQ TM technology for optimal blending performance. The blender's smart processor technology automatically detects the correct power settings for the job. The 24-oz glass blender jar features a built-in patented tamper tool for easy preparation of thick and frozen ingredients. The sleek stainless steel blender base can be used as a food processor attachment. Number 5. KITCHENAID K400 Variable Speed Blender. KITCHENAID has been the leader in commercial blenders for more than 100 years. With a heritage for blending excellence, KITCHENAID brings expertise to your kitchen and living space. The KITCHENAID K400 blender features a 56-oz jar and a 16-oz jar that are perfect for blending drinks, sauces, and more. The unique blending jar design creates a vortex, while the asymmetric blade whips and chops food as it blends. The Smart Blend system delivers the right speed to get the right blend every time, and Soft Start technology delivers smooth blending. An easy pour spout provides easy serving. Thanks for watching my video.